Hi, I'm Joni Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am at the American Pie Council's National Pie Championships, and I'm catching up with Jessica Leigh Clark-Bojin. She is the pious. She is a baker, an author, and a social media maven. Hi, Jessica. Thanks for catching up with me.
Hello. Happy to chat.
So you gave an incredible presentation today on innovation with pie and social media for pie. Here's my question. Pie, as you said, is the OG original dessert. How can bakers, whether they're on a small scale or a large scale, innovate with such an original old school product?
The notion of messing with an American classic being taboo is just so ridiculous. I mean, pies have been crazy epic since medieval times. People used to do like towering, vertical, multi-tiered, all this crazy stuff with pies. And then it sort of fell out of fashion again about 200 years ago because of the whole puritanical thing. It's a whole big story. I could go on for hours about that. But the long and short of it is that pies can do a lot more things than people realize they can with a few simple little scientific hacks to get around some of the challenges around pastry, and you can still keep it delicious and flaky and, you know, what we all know and love, and make it colorful and make it big and make it tall and all these kinds of fun stuff.
I cannot agree with you more. And I know that one thing that is a big draw for pie is that it is so comforting and nostalgic, but you can take something that's comforting and nostalgic and make it innovative really easily because people still have that comfort to hold on to. So I want to see towering pies. We need to make that happen, and I think you're on the right track with all of your social media.
Thank you. Yeah, pie scrapers, my word, is my specialty. I discovered that as long as like 1400s, they were making these massive pie scrapers, and they were a critical part of every feast. It was called the entremet course, and the big kings and queens and noble people would have these big feasts and have all the important people over, and then there would come a moment in the feast where they would wheel out this epic pie. And the bigger the pie, the more important the person doing the hosting. Some of them were like dragons. Some of them had like wine and gravy spewing out of them. Some of them were in the shape of the kingdom's castle and all the keeps around it. And I was like, I can't believe this was a thing. How did they do that? So I started reverse engineering the techniques that they used to do that, applying them to what I bake today. And yeah, pie scrapers.
A true baker. So listen, you and I, we are going to crusade to bring back pie scrapers. And if you want to learn more, you can follow Jessica on social media. She is the Pious, Pieous, right?
All about the pie puns.
All right. Love it. Thanks so much, Jessica.
Thank you.